Assalamualaikum 6th class. I hope you are doing good. In our previous lecture, we have learned about the first generation computers and its examples. Now we see the fourth example of the first generation computer, that is the EDVAC. It was the automatic computer and it was designed by John P. Eckert and John W. Mauchly in 1944, and it had the capacity to store both the programs as well as data in it, and it could weigh about 8,000 kilograms and covered an area of 45.5 square meters, right? So as you see in EDSAC, it had the capacity to store programs in it, but EDVAC had the capacity to store both the programs as well as data in it, right? Now the fifth example is the UNIVAC1, that is the automatic computer. That was the first electronic computer, and it was designed by Presper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1951, and it could weigh about 13,000 kilograms and occupied an area of 35.5 square meters, and it had the ability to store both the numeric and the text data in it. So these were the examples of the first generation computers, right? And now we see the limitations of the first generation computer. The first limitation is the first restriction is the operating system was very slow. So as you see, these computers could took about 3 to 5 seconds to solve a single calculation, to solve a single problem. So there was a major drawback in that computers of the first generation, that their operating system was quite slow, and they need a lot of power, lot of electricity to install, right? So their power consumption was very high, and as you see, most of the computers occupied an area of 35 or 45 square meters. So they required large space for installation, right? And they have a very limited potential to program for tasks. As you see, they could solve only one problem at the time, and they could require 3 to 5 seconds to solve a single calculation, to solve a single problem, right? So if you want to, if at that time, if you wanted to add two large numbers, then you required 200 microseconds, right, for it. So their operating system was slow. They need a lot of power for the installation, and they needed a lot of wires at that time, and they were highly expensive to build, right? That was the major drawback of the first generation computer, that they were highly expensive to build.